if you want to have something different for breakfast in the morning. So this is seedy bread, very good seedy bread. But when you go to the supermarket, make sure you buy whole wheat, good seedy bread, not white bread. Best thing is to put it in your freezer, freeze the bread, and then you use it after, okay? So I'm going to show you what you guys can do. So I'm going to one time, but this is a very important recipe for you guys, where you guys can also make at home, all right? So this is the avocado, which I'm going to be using, okay? All right, just squeeze a little bit of a lemon juice and the avocado, all right? Yeah. And then you want to mash your avocado like this, all right? Once you mash your avocado, so this is something where you guys can make and bring to work. Let's put that purple onion inside of it. All right. Some spring onion inside of it. All right. So we got spring onion, red onion inside of it. Red pepper in it, so that's some red pepper. Mix that around. You can put whatever you like inside of it, okay? Now I'm going to put some black pepper. Lovely. Mix that around. All right, yeah. A little bit of olive oil on your toast. A lot of people don't know these things. So you don't have to use butter, all right? You can just use olive oil, all right, on your toast. Yeah. Then we want to go get that on an amazing avocado. And as you guys can see, we are doing this fresh. All right, yeah. Put some cucumber on it like this. All right, trust me, this is some tomato. Put some tomato on top of it. A few leaves on top of it like this. Grab the next slice of bread and put it on. All right, I decided to share this with you guys. This book, From Poverty to Purpose, is an